The automatic rotary flip-top closing machine, also known as an automatic rotary flip-top folding machine, is widely used in industries such as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, personal care, food and beverages, chemicals, and household products where bottles are sealed with flip-top caps. This machine is specially designed to automatically close the flip lid of caps that remain in an open position immediately after the molding process. In operation, the flip-top caps, typically molded in an open condition, are fed into a vibratory bowl feeder either manually or through a connected conveyor directly from the molding machine output. The vibratory bowl feeder then automatically orients and arranges the caps in the correct direction required for smooth processing. From the feeder, the caps are transferred onto the rotary indexing system of the machine where specially designed folding or pressing mechanisms gently but firmly push the flip lid downward to close it securely. The rotary mechanism ensures continuous, high-speed production with precise and uniform closing of each cap without damage or deformation. This automated system significantly reduces manual labor, increases production efficiency, and maintains consistent quality, making it ideal for high-volume flip-top cap manufacturers and packaging industries.